Sobrang active mo ba sa social media? At the same time, gusto mong kumita dahil sobrang exposed mo na sa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, at sa mga online shopping application like Shopee. Well, mahilig ka ba magpabudol kay Shopee? Well, this is the right video for you. What's up, Rocks? This is Yelly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we'll be going to talk about my story on how I became a Shopee ambassador. Aside from that, we will be also talking about on how you can be one of us. By the way, Rocks, sa mga bago pa lang sa channel na to, please don't forget to hit that red button, isama nyo na ang notification bell para ma-update kayo lagi sa mga bagong uploads ko dito sa channel. And by the way, my name is Abniel. You can call me Nelly or Niel, whatever you want. Anyways, welcome sa channel ko. So today, ang pag-uusapan natin, of course, kung paano maging Shopee ambassador, yung mga perks na makukuha natin, yung commissions, of course, kung paano kumita, and of course, kung paano tayo mag-generate ng links for promotions. First of all, guys, I wanna share to you on how I became one of the Shopee ambassadors. So this is my story. Simula, once upon a time, charot, joke lang. So, it's just a normal day that time. Tapos, ginanahan akong mag-check ng email. So, I received an invitation email, yun nga, para sa Shopee Ambassador, na galing sa manager ko na ngayon. So, sabi doon na he came across to my social media accounts, Instagram and my TikTok account. Tapos, sinabi niya na qualified ako maging Shopee Ambassador. So, of course, isa sa mga magandang blessing na dumating sa akin that day, ang pagiging Shopee Ambassador. So, green hub ko agad siya. Chinek ko kung paano ba siya nag-work, kung ano ba yung mga kailangan, and yeah, nag-request sila ng mga information coming from me, yung contact number ko, hanggang sa napasama na ako sa community. By the way, guys, I was verified or put on board sa Shopee Affiliate Program last April. So, July na ngayon. The day is July 20. It's my birthday, by the way. Happy birthday! Okay, anyways. So, more than 3 months na din akong ambassador ni Shopee. And madami na din akong napropromote na mga products and nasalihan ng mga challenges and campaigns within Shopee Affiliate Program. And so far, yung experience, guys, ay sobrang saya. Sobrang daming opportunities na nag-o-open. Kasi pwede kang makipag-collaborate sa mga brands na gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo. It's either be local business brands, small businesses, and mismo mga brands na nasa Shopee, na nagbebenta na sa Shopee itself. Alright, so let's go to the first question. How to be a Shopee ambassador? What are the requirements? So, for you to be a Shopee ambassador, you have to make sure na yung Shopee account mo is active within 1 to 2 months. Ibig sabihin, meron kang na-order or nagamit mo sa Shopee within that time frame. Of course, meron silang system para ma-detect yan. You also need to make sure that you have at least 1,000 followers or subscriber in any of your social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, or Facebook pages. Yan yung mga platform na fino-focus nila. Wherein, nagagamitin mo din para mag-promote ng mga brands within the Shopee application. So, yan lang ang requirements ni Shopee Affiliate Program. Again, you should have Shopee accounts active within 1 to 2 months and at least 1,000 followers or subscribers on any of your social media account. So, in my case kasi, sila na mismo ang nag-email sa akin. Sila na mismo yung nag-approach sa akin to be one of their partners. And I'm so glad that I was able to be one of them. In your case, if gusto mo talaga maging partner ni Shopee, I highly encourage you to apply. As long as you have met the qualifications, go for it, girl. Okay, so let's move on sa mga perks na pwede natin makuha kung ikaw ay isa sa mga ambassadors ni Shopee. Isa sa mga perks niyan is that makakakuha ka ng mga merch like t-shirts, mga PR packages, and such. So in my case, wala akong mga ipapakita sa inyo kasi hindi pa nabibigay yung akin. I think they do have like certain time frame or tenuity for you to be able to receive one. That thing, I need to clarify that still. Update ko na lang kayo sa comment section if meron bang ganon. Pero in my case, wala pa akong natatanggap na welcome kit or PR packages from them. Unlike nung mga ambassadors from last year 2020. So I was able to join on board kasi this 2021 na, last April nga. So, aside from that, if merong mga Shopee campaigns like payday sales, mega sales, Akinsa sales, mga ganyan, they do have like giveaway vouchers or exclusive vouchers para sa mga ambassadors lang. So, pwede mo yun gamitin for shopping, and very useful talaga siya kasi sobrang laki ng mga discounts, and yung iba is mga cashback, 15%, 35%, and sobrang laking tulong yun, guys. For example, magbabayad ka ng internet bill mo through Shopee Pay, water bill, magbibili ka ng auto-load max and such, wherein you can really take advantage with. Another perks is that yung commission base mo. Of course, kung ma-verify ka and ma-onboard ka bilang isang Shopee ambassador, bibigyan ka ng access sa isang system wherein you can generate your links, you can check for a certain brands na pwede mong i-endorse. So technically, hindi lang siya nagfo-focus sa isang product. So pwede kang mag-endorse related sa beauty like skincare, makeups, pwede din sa fashion, sa mga clothes, home products like yung mga gamit sa bahay, mga damit, sapatos, accessories, technologies like gadgets, accessories, and many more. So, sa mismong system kasi na yon, tulad niyan, maraming options dyan. Pwede kang mag-promote ng brands within the Shopee, meron ding brand offers wherein merong mga specific commission base na pwede mong makuha if merong gumamit ng link mo para umorder sa Shopee. So, ito yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang perks na makukuha mo bilang isang Shopee ambassador. Kasi, mag-promote ka lang ng isang product on your social media, kikita ka. And as long as na merong taong o order gamit ang link mo, kikita at kikita ka. So, technically, sa mga brand offers kasi, meron talagang amounts na pino-provide, estimated commission na pino-provide sa isang item na pwede mong i-promote sa social media accounts mo. So, doon pa lang magkaka-idea ka na kung magkano yung pwede mong kitain. So, technically, yung kikitain mo bilang Shopee ambassador is depende kung gaano ka kasipag. Depende din sa kung anong product ang i-endorse mo. As a Shopee ambassador, how can you promote a brand? So, dito na papasok yung link customizations wherein gagamitin mo yung link na yon para kumita. So, paano ba? Sa mismong system na bibigyan ka ng access ni Shopee bilang affiliate, kukuha ka ng link na nakita mo sa Shopee, Like, for example, meron kang nakitang magandang phone accessories or sapatos, damit, and then gusto mo siyang i-promote. So, technically, kukunin mo yung link from the Shopee itself and then i-customize mo sa affiliate system mo. Yun yung i-share mo sa mga audience mo, sa mga followers mo para yung commission mo is papasok mismo sa account mo. So, ang kinagandahan kasi dito, for example, kung meron kang kakilala na gustong bumili ng isang item, let's say ng damit, and then wala siya masyadong mahanap na magandang seller, pwede mo siyang tulungan using your affiliate links. So, hanapan mo siya, for example, sa Shopee, and then isisend mo sa kanya yung link, of course, yung customized na, para meron kang commission pag mag-order siya sa mismong Shopee account niya. So, it's gonna be your strategies kung paano ka mag-promote ng mga links mo sa lahat ng followers mo para mas madami kang kita. So, technically, more links, more commissions. More orders, more commission. So, another thing na pag-uusapan natin, guys, is yung campaigns or yung mga challenges na pinapagawa sa mga ambassadors. So, technically, guys, kung napapansin nyo, meron tayong tinatawag na 66 mega sales, 77, 715, or meron tayong 15 sales, mga ganyan, diba? As a Viber group nyo, yung mga managers nyo is maglalatag ng mga challenges. Tinatawag nila itong KOL challenges. For example, yung last challenge na ginawa ko is yung 715 mega sales. Binibigyan kayo ng mga sample contents na pwede nyong i-post sa social media accounts nyo like on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, etc. So, aside from that, you will also have the opportunity to be a live streamer sa mismong Shopee application. And of course, meron din kinikita doon. So, kung sasali ka sa challenges, may mga prizes na pwede mong mapanalunan. So, meron dyan na namimigay sila ng 50,000 Shopee Pay credits, 20,000, 30,000, 15. Tapos, yung maganda dyan, meron first, second, and third places. And meron pang mga parang consolation prize na tinatawag. Like, makakatanggap sila ng 2,000 Shopee vouchers, Shopee credits, 1,500, and such. And isa sa pinakamaganda pa dyan is, bilang isang Shopee affiliate, nakikipag-partner si Shopee sa'yo para mag-give back or giveaways sa mga followers mo, sa mga active followers mo. So, sample prizes nila, guys, are iPhone 12, Pro Max, MacBook, camera, and pwede din monetary. Yung nga yung mga sinasabi kong Shopee credits. And sa 3 months kong Shopee ambassador, sobrang laki talaga nilang magbigay ng prizes and sobrang swertihan talaga kung mapili ka man kasi random draw lot sila eh. Ibig sabihin, kung magpo-post ka, walang requirement kung gaano kadaming engagement, kung gaano kadaming likes. Depende sa challenge. So, technically, meron mga specific time frame na kung ma-reach mo yung ganitong klaseng engagement, dadagdagan nila yung entries mo, pwede kang magkaroon ng 2 entries and such. But, the good thing here is that fair yung selection. Kahit hindi masyado kadami yung followers mo, unlike others, you don't have to worry. As long as you join the challenge, pwede ka manalo ng mga prizes nila. So, if you're asking kung nanalo na ba ako, hindi pa ako nanalo. Hay nako. Pero, natutuwa ako sa ginagawa ko kasi meron akong business sa Shopee. By the way, it's my clothing brand. And then, nagagamit ko yung pagiging ambassador ko sa pag-promote ng brand ko. And ginagamit ko din yung affiliate links ko. So, kumikita na ako sa business ko. At the same time, kung merong mag-order ng shirt ko, gamit yung link, ambassador link ko, meron akong agad commission doon. So far, yan ang mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo. So kung interested kayo mag-join ng affiliate program ni Shopee, I leave the link, the registration link on the description box. You can check it, fill out the form, make sure that you meet the requirements para ma-review nila agad yung application nyo, and then make sure that you put your right email address kasi doon sila nag-update. Alright? So, I wish you a good luck. I hope na makita kita sa mga challenges na nagpo-post sa mga social media accounts, and I'll make sure to follow you. Don't have to worry about that. So, I hope na nakatulong yung video na to, guys, sa mga curious dyan na gustong maging member or one of the ambassadors ni Shopee. So, I hope and pray na ma-approve agad yung application nyo through this link, and yeah, see you on our community. So, once again, don't forget to subscribe, share, like if nagustuhan niyo ang video natin for today. So, I wish you all the best, guys. Take care and keep safe. This is Nelly in your Brox, and see you on my next video. Bye!